Okay, so we have like 11K people, 12K people, and it's 13K people live. Hi guys, so how did you like the poster? So I'm in Goa. I was shooting something here, and I am coming back in some time, and I just thought to stay here for a while since it's lockdown there, and I'm already here, so I thought let me just stay here for a couple of days. Although I'm not staying in a property, in a resort or something, we are staying in this very pretty bungalow. It's a very nice villa. I'm with my family and Ro. And Hina and Kaushal are also there. So, of course, because it was a work trip. So, yeah. Want to see a little bit of it? Let me just show you. How do I reverse this camera? There you go. So, this is the place. It's a little messy since I love the flooring. And let me show you these peeps outside. What are they doing? So that's Amir and Manu. Hi, say hi.
Hello. Marco. Hello.
Hi. Hi, Sonam. That's a little garden, and that's them. They're all chilling. I'm sorry, I know there's COVID everywhere, so I really didn't want to take the risk of staying in a property. So, which is why I chose this. It's more secluded and more safe. It's just us, so the chances are very less. And we are most of the times in the property only. We're not really going out. So, that is it. You say what's happening. COVID is bad, especially in Maharashtra and all across the globe, to be very honest, and pan India. I think we need to take precautions. Had we taken precautions earlier, after the first wave, शायद ये सब नहीं होता. I know a lot of people question me as well that why do I go to the gym? Why do I travel? Why do I holiday? I know I do read some of the comments, and I'm like, really? I mean, no one of us, we're not going to stay home forever. We all are going to move out. We're going to work out. We'll go to the gym. We'll exercise. We'll work. You know, I have shoes. I have other stuff. And then sometimes, of course, you want to like unwind and you want to go out with your family on a holiday or somewhere else. But I think the only way to stay as much as away possible from this virus is, you can still contract it, as I always say. कोई rocket science नहीं है. किसी को भी हो सकता है, चाहे आप कितने भी precautions लें. But touch wood, अभी तक I am safe, and आगे की मैं guarantee नहीं लेती हूँ. Although I am taking all the precautions possible, but कुछ भी हो सकता है. But the only reason is that I take precautions. I mean, you can't even imagine the kind of precautions I take when I go to the gym, when I travel. I mean, if I touch anything, I sanitize my hands. If I sit somewhere, I sanitize the place and then I sit. Even if I have a coffee in Starbucks, I sanitize that glass as well. So that cup as well. So I take a lot of precautions. और फिर भी गलती हो सकती है, हम इंसान हैं. If I work out, I make sure after every workout I go and ask the person to sanitize the entire equipment before I start my next workout or the next exercise. So that's the kind of precautions I take, and I do see that people are not taking such precautions outside. I did see after the first wave, people were not taking precautions in the mall. The children were roaming around in the toy shops and doing whatnot, touching stuff, touching different toys, and then touching their parents, touching themselves, touching their mouth, their face, and the parents did not really care. So I did see a lot of things happening जहाँ पर ऐसा लग रहा था कि कोविड है ही नहीं, ख़त्म हो गया है, क्योंकि सब वापस खुल गया है, malls खुल गए हैं, theaters after 50% occupancy, they made it 100% occupancy, and then people used to go out, like over there also in the malls. And in cinema halls, people are not taking precautions. Trust me. I mean, I did see like people are not even sanitizing where they're sitting. I used to, if I did go and see, I did watch some movies in the theater, but I was very, very careful. I did not remove my mask even for a second. I was wearing 2 masks when I was in the theater because again, you're in close proximity with a lot of people, and I sanitized where I sat. There is I don't know. Do you guys know in 50% occupancy, one seat is empty and then the other one is occupied by somebody else? But I made sure that all the seats, all 3-4 seats next to me are sanitized properly. I don't mind sanitizing someone else's seat as well, as long as it's going to keep me safe. So I used to take a lot of precautions. I'm still taking precautions, but फिर भी हो सकता है. पर अगर हमने इतना ध्यान रखा तो शायद आज ये दिन नहीं देखना पड़ता जो हो रहा है अभी. Because I saw that people were not taking care. People were not. Anyway, you'll have a lot of people who are going to judge you, who are going to question कि आप ये करते हो, आप वो करते हो. But they don't know the kind of precautions we take. And even then, लोगों को फिर भी कोविड हो रहा है. पर काश पहले ये प्रिकॉशंस लिए होते जो हम अक्सर मॉल्स में ले सकते हैं, कॉफ़ी शॉप्स में ले सकते हैं, रेस्टोरेंट्स में ले सकते हैं, पर लोग नहीं ले रहे थे. आई हैव सीन इट. गलती फिर भी हो सकती है. बेसिक प्रिकॉशंस भी नहीं ले रहे थे. एज आई मेंशन दैट किड्स इन द टॉय शॉप्स, पीपल टचिंग स्टफ, टचिंग डिफरेंट आउटफिट्स एंड देन टचिंग देमसेल्व्स. Oh my God, I've seen all that happening. No one used to take precautions. This is the result. Anyway, moving on, I am quite happy about the release of my poster, and then Patthar Bargi is also gonna come, Deep Rock song. That's mostly gonna come in May, first week of May mostly. So I'm very, very excited. I'm shooting for another song, which we'll get to know soon, and other things are happening as well. I don't want to talk about that. There are few projects which I was supposed to shoot in June, but I don't know. Depends on COVID. Everything depends on COVID. So yeah. Hey Rishabh, what's up? Thank you, Akanksha darling. Let me just take some of your questions. I'm a big fan of yours. Siddhika. Hi Sonia. Congratulations for the new song. Muskan, hi. Good evening, ma'am. Amar. When will you be back in Agra, Sheikh Khan? Pata nahi. You're so cute. Take my name, Aditi. Hey, Aditi. Hi, Bharti. Hi, Bhumi. Hi, Zairi. Hi, Pradeep. Thank you so much. Hi, Aspa. Sorry. You're looking so cute. Thank you. You're looking cute with this clip. Just chilling, relaxing. What else is happening? I hope you liked the poster. And Stebbin has sung this song. It was such a treat to work with Stebbin. He's so grounded, so down to earth. I loved him. He's such a nice fellow. And inshallah very soon we'll work again. Inshallah. पहले आप ये गाना देखिए, आपको I hope आपको अच्छा लगे. Stebbin ने बहुत प्यारा गाया. Anyway, he's got such an amazing and different voice, and I'm sure आप लोगों को भी गाना बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. I'll come live again. This was just a reminder to tell you guys to have a look at the poster and let me know how did you like it. It's a very unique way, Pocket FM has come up with this concept where it's a very unique way of storytelling. They are narrating a story in this music video, and then आगे क्या होता है, तो वो आपको उसके लिए you will have to watch the song, but it's a very very unique, they're trying unique concept, they're trying for the first time, and I personally loved it, and I'm sure you too will love it. Let me know. I'm not your fan, I'm your air conditioner. Parisi. Sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong. Hey Priyanka. Skies and then music. रोज़ा रखते, ऑफ कोर्स रोज़ा रखेंगे, बिल्कुल रखेंगे. रमज़ान आ रहे हैं. हेलो मैम. हेलो मनीषा. हाय अंजू. हाय. हाय सोफिया. हाय CEO. थैंक यू सो मच. Arham, thank you. Thank you, Mayank. Anything else? Do you have a question, guys, before I sign off? Because this was a quick live, unplanned live, as usual. Hey Rohit. रोहित से याद आया, रोहित का भी मैसेज मैंने देखा था. रोहित रेड्डी. Thank you so much, Rohit. Thank you for your best wishes for the new song. Hi, take my name Anushka. Anushka जी, कैसी हैं आप? Congratulations मैम. जी पटेल. मेरा नाम ले लीजिए. गुड़िया तांबे. मेरा नाम प्रिया पीयूष वाही. मिस नेहा. रोहन एंड कांची. आई एम सॉरी आई मिस. इसका ब्रेकअप क्यों हुआ मैम? वेल आप ही रोहन और कांची से पूछिए. आई एम नॉट देयर एडवोकेट मैम. प्लीज नेम लोना. एंड आई ऑनेस्टली डोंट नो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन देयर लाइफ. मेरा नाम गौरव पांचल. हाय गौरव. गुजरात कब आएंगी? गुजरात इज़ वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट प्लेसेस. जब भी ये सब पैंडमिक ख़त्म हो जाएगा तब इंशाल्लाह. मेरा भी नाम ले लीजिए. खुशबू. हाय खुशबू. हेलो. हेलो. What else? Let me just show you this place. It's a very very nice place. I'm going to take you up. That's our Uncle John. जब से हम आए हैं तब से इनको Uncle John बुला रहे हैं. That's the staircase. We'll take you up, and that's the terrace. That's my darling Hina's room. See, that's the place. My 3 friends. Shoot here would be so cool. Rishabh. Love you, my friend. Yes. Hatim. Please, music video with Siddharth Shukla. Siddharth Shukla. I spoke to him, I think, 1.5 weeks back. बहुत लंबी बात हुई हमारी. We were just, you know, recalling all the Big Boss memories, and it was so much fun to speak to him. बहुत time बाद we spoke for quite a long time. He's very cool and a nice person, a nice human being. It was fun chatting with him after so long. What else? मनूर मेरा नाम. नेम बोल दो. ईशा. हिना खान, please say my name. कश्यप, hi. आसिम रियाज के बारे में कुछ. Oh, he's super cool. I've never met him other than Big Boss, but I've heard good things about him. Hi Shubham. Hi Dhairya. These guys are having fun outside. I'm also getting in the pool after this. I also want to take a dip. Hi Ankit. Hi Shoaib. Or how are you coping up with lockdown? क्या कर रहे हैं आप लोग? वही बैक टू द रूटीन जो पिछले साल हम लॉकडाउन में कर रहे थे. मुझे भी पता नहीं मैं क्या करूँगी. हाउ एम आई गोइंग टू एक्सरसाइज? बाप रे, उफ, इट सो डिफ़िकल्ट. सब दोबारा करना पड़ेगा शुरू, पर इसके ज़िम्मेदार हम हैं. रमज़ान मुबारक in advance. Congrats for your new song. Thank you Anjum. Do you talk to Shehnaz? No, I have not spoken to her after Big Boss again, जैसे with Asim. I did not really meet her, but I really wish her all the best. She's such a sweetheart, very cute, and she'll go a long way. Please call out my name. Shruti. What else is happening? आज मैं मूड में हूँ. मैं लाइव आती नहीं हूँ, but y'all can throw your questions. रमज़ान मुबारक in advance. आपको भी बहुत बहुत मुबारक. Hi कृष्णा. रॉकी सर के साथ एक सॉन्ग बनाई है. रॉकी सर के साथ एक फ़ोटो खींच लूँ मैं, वही बहुत बड़ी बात है. वो बहुत कैमरा शाय हैं, वो ये सब नहीं करते हैं, उन्हें ये सब पसंद नहीं है. He's not camera shy, but he doesn't like it. So happy to see you live. Hey Karan, आपड़ो Karan. Hi Vishal. My question, कितने दिन हैं आप वहाँ, so I can plan. फोन पे बताऊंगी. When is song with B Prak is coming? B Prak के साथ सॉन्ग मई में आएगा, फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ मई. सुल्ताना अल्तमश, रमज़ान मुबारक को. I hope to see you soon. Please take care. Bye. Yes, my love, Akanksha. Mwah. नीलेश, आपका नाम ले लिया मैंने. इमरान रमज़ान मुबारक खान साहब एडवांस में, आपको भी रमज़ान बहुत बहुत मुबारक। मज़ा आएगा अब सहरी खाने में। यस बस आई एम लाइव, गिव मी 5 minutes, आई विल कम। माय ब्रदर वांट्स मी टू गेट इनटू द पूल। मैं भी मुस्लिम हूँ, प्लीज से माय नेम। तस्लीम, इसका रिलीजन से क्या लेना देना? आप किसी भी रिलीजन से होते, मैं फिर भी आपका नाम लेती। रमज़ान मुबारक शोएब। नेहा 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 चौधरी। ओके ज़ारा हाय। हाय तनु। Phantom feathers are too cute. Thank you. Hi Shivam. Okay. Hi Sophia. रमज़ान मुबारक आपको भी। अक्षरा वापस आ जाओ सीरियल में। Seriously guys. मेरे 3 दोस्त। Hi Mohit. Atul looking beautiful. Thank you. रमज़ान बहुत बहुत मुबारक। Thank you. Hey जुबैर, रमज़ान आपको भी बहुत बहुत मुबारक। सेपरेट लाइव रखना पड़ेगा फॉर हाई। प्लीज आस्क हर क्वेश्चंस गाइज, मौका है। सो गाइज, जुबैर ने मुझे स्विमिंग सिखाई है। मुझे जितनी भी थोड़ी बहुत स्विमिंग आई है वो जुबैर की वजह से आई है। और जुबैर, हमें आगे बढ़ना है प्लीज। आई हैव टू लर्न डीप सी डाइविंग, तो मुझे आपकी हेल्प चाहिए। विश ये सब जल्दी ठीक हो जाए। Okay, so I think I am gonna sign off now. हो गया। Hi Yasmin, love you a lot. Sher Khan, Anjali loves you a lot. Thank you, Anjali, means a lot. Lag ja gale, tired of that song. Ramadan Mubarak and new poster is amazing. Thank you, Diraksha. You look so pretty, Dee. So do you, sweetheart. So pretty you're looking in all your posts. And actor तो आप माशाल्लाह हैं. That was Ashnoor, by the way. Tell us about your Manish का dress. काफी hot. Only you can ask such questions, Kara. मनीष का ड्रेस। ड्रेस में कहाँ नजर गई? हाँ। आपके पिक्स बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं। थैंक यू। मुझे करण बहुत हंसा रहा है गाइस, सो आई थिंक आई एम गोना साइन ऑफ। आप मेरी ऑलवेज फेवरेट हैं। थैंक यू, यूर गॉर्जियस। दिया, थैंक यू। यू ऑल्सो वेंट टू द पूल? व्हाई डिड यू कम आउट नाउ? I'm coming. So that is my sister-in-law. She's waiting for me. So I guess I gotta go before they all kill me. Chalo guys, have fun. Y'all take care and stay tuned. The song is releasing soon, and then my another song is releasing, and plus I'm shooting another song, and plus some other stuff as well. I hope this lockdown gets over soon so that I get back to shoot and I shoot some lovely, amazing projects. Inshallah, you all take care of yourself. Please, जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी कहा, लॉकडाउन ख़त्म होने के बाद I did see people not taking care, kids not taking care, families not taking care. मैंने बाहर, I remember मैं मेरी मॉम के साथ कभी बाहर जाती थी या फिर ज़्यादातर मैं उनको बाहर जाने नहीं देती थी, या फिर sometimes if I used to go out with Ro to a theater or to a mall or any workplace, कहीं भी, I used to see how we used to like only look exchange and we were like, is this really happening? Is COVID over? What are people doing? Like at the airports also, जैसे COVID है ही नहीं, so we are responsible guys. जैसे कि मैंने आपको कहा, मैंने देखा है लोग भूल गए हैं, लोग तरह तरह की चीज़ें छूते हैं और फिर सैनिटाइज भी नहीं करते हैं, तो हम रिस्पॉन्सिबल हैं. सो यू ऑल टेक केयर, प्लीज़ स्टे सेफ. मैं भी सेफ हूँ और सेफ्टी से रहूँ, इसलिए ऐसी जगह पे हूँ जहाँ पर मैं अपने आप को सेफ रख सकूँ, क्योंकि आई विल हैव टू गो बैक होम. ऑफ कोर्स आई टेस्टेड व्हेन आई केम, व्हेन आई लैंडेड इन गोवा. आई एम गोइंग टू टेस्ट अगेन बिफोर आई लैंड back in Mumbai. You all take care. Mwah. Lots of love.